The Medicaid Eligibility and Service Authorization Verification, or MeSave function, located in TextMed Connect, should be used by both providers and Financial Management Services Agencies, or FMSAs, before submitting claims to Texas Medicaid and Healthcare Partnership, or TMHP, to help reduce the number of claim denials and rejections. In this video, we'll look at how to create a group template to verify eligibility for a group of people at one time, and how to add an individual to an existing group template. In Part 3, we'll look at how you can submit a group for eligibility verification and view the eligibility results for that group. Watch Part 1 to learn how to verify eligibility for a single person and understand the information MeSave provides. Each group template you create can contain up to 250 people, and you can create up to 100 templates for each National Provider Identifier, or NPI, or Atypical Provider Identifier, or API. Let's take a look at how to create a group template step by step. On the homepage of the TMHP website, click TextMed Connect. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Click Group Template under the navigation panel. The MeSave CSI Group Template page appears. Choose the NPI or API and provider number from the drop-down and click Continue. Any previously created group templates for the NPI or API and provider number you selected will appear. To create a new group template, enter a name for the group in the New Group field and click Add Group. The Add Client page appears. Here, you will enter the individual's information. If you don't have their client number, you must enter a combination of information as shown on the screen. Next, click Look Up, and then click the Add to Group link. The individual is added to the group template you created. Click Add Client to add more individuals to the template, or click Go Back to return to the MeSave CSI Group Template page. To add an individual to an existing group template, click the template link from the list on the MeSave CSI Group Template page and follow the same steps we just reviewed. Click Add Client, enter the individual's information, click Look Up, and then click the Add to Group link. In Part 3, we'll walk through how to submit a group to verify eligibility and view the eligibility results for that group. Don't forget to watch Part 1 to learn how to verify eligibility for a single person and understand the information MeSave provides. You can also reference the Long-Term Care, or LTC, User Guide for TextMed Connect located on the 1915C Waiver Program's reference material page of the TMHP website to learn more about MeSave.